What in the penitentiary eating is going on here? Is this commissary food? There's a whole developed chicken inside here, a whole grown ass chicken inside of this can from the kitchens of Sweet Sue. Sue baby, fully cooked home style goodness. I just want to know whose home was this style good in? Whose home? Whose broken ass house was this style good in? Guys, I'm gonna do this for you, but I'm not gonna be happy about it. I'm just not gonna be thrilled. I'm just not gonna be thrilled by this whole process. I'm not gonna be happy. I'm doing this for y'all. Oh. Oh my God. It looks like afterbirth. Let's put it in here. Oh, it's a hole, baby. I just gave birth. I just gave birth, and I'm a man. I gave birth, and I'm a man. I just gave birth to a chicken. And I'm a man. It's jiggling. I don't know what to do. Is it alive? It's dead. Let me see. It's dead, I think. Let's. I can't. Oh. I'm traumatized. I need a COVID shot right now. What the food Friday? This